Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Daxon with Noxad.org. If you like this print, you can go to my website and you can download it. Let me show you here what the print looks like in a 3D software. This is the basic print in the 3D software. You can see what it looks like. I'll also have a video I'm going to be uploading soon. It'll be video 4 to the 123D design software tutorial series that shows you how you can take a dog silhouette image and put it here like you see in my 3D print, and you can print it out. Once again, my website is www.noxad.org. You can do a search for a dog leash wall hanger, and I'll show you how to put the hollow part in the middle of the oval of whatever dog you want, or even I guess another animal if you really wanted to, and just use this hook for something else. But this is actually a thing you mount to the wall, and it'll hold your dog leashes for you. This one I'm doing for a friend, and this is actually a Rottweiler. I found a silhouette to a Rottweiler and converted it to a 3D image and then extruded it down. Should end up looking pretty good. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.